Assalamu alaikum. It's Maria Yasin here again. So today we are gonna do Cambridge Primary Checkpoint 0096 Paper 1 April 2023. This paper is of 45 minutes and it is containing 40 marks. This is your paper 1. You will need a compass, protractor and a tracing paper. It is optional over here. So let's start with question number 1. Okay. Calculate 75 times 5 times 2 plus 65. So over here you are going to use the Bodimas rule. So here in the first one there is no brackets off, so you will start with the multiplication and then addition. So multiplication over here is first, so I will do the multiplication first. So let's do that. 5 times 2 is 10. So the other ones remains the same. 75 plus 65. Then you have to multiply it again. So 75 times 10 is equal to 750 plus 65. Now you got to add them up together. So 5 and 0 is 5. 6 and 5 is 11 and it is 815. Just like that, you will do your second one. It is 8 plus into 3 plus 2 times 7. So over here, you have got the brackets. So you will do the brackets first. So let's do that. 3 plus 2. So 8 plus 5 times 7. Now you have to do the multiplication. So 7 times 5 is 35. So 8 plus 35. Now you have to add them up together. So it will be 13, 3 and 1 carry and it will be 43. Okay, just like that, you have to do the second question. Yusuf folds a paper circle to make a new shape. So this is a paper circle. He folded it into this shape, and now the radius over here is 5 centimeter. Write down the diameter, like write the length of the diameter of the circle. Now, what is the diameter? Diameter is like that. For example, if I have got the full circle, let's try to have a full circle. Okay, I'm just gonna make it like that. Okay, if it is a full circle, from here to here, that half of the circle, it will be called as the radius. And the complete circle will be called as the diameter of the circle. So what it is that the diameter is equal to 2 times radius. So what is it? That we have got the radius which is equal to 5 centimeters. So that diameter will be easy. That 2 times 5 centimeter will be equal to 10 centimeter. So my answer is 10. The diameter of the circle is 10 centimeter. Okay. Now move to the next question. Write 2.5 hours in minutes. So it is again easy game. That write down 2.5 hours in minutes. So it is already that 2.5 hours, and you know that 1 hour has 60 minutes. Okay, so we have taken over here that 2 whole hours plus this is your 5, so you it is your 0.5 hours. So now I have break the hours apart. Now I have to convert them into minutes. So it is easy. We have to just times it with 60 every time. So let's do that. 2 times 60. And over here it will be 0.5 times 10 times 6. It is just the break apart of 60. That 60 can be written as 6 times 10. Now 2 times 60 is 2 times 6 is 18, 12. So it is 12 and 0 it is 120 plus, and over here when you times 0.5 with tens you will get that 5, so it will be 5 times 6, so 5 times 6 is 30. Now you have to add these two numbers together, 120 and 30, so you will get that 150 minutes. So 2.5 hours will be equal to 150 minutes, my dear. Now let's move to question number 4. Okay, complete the calculation. It is 1 by 2 divided by 3. Okay, so 1 by 2 divided by 3. So what you are going to do, 1 by 2 divided by 3. Now, if there is nothing in the denominator, it means that there is 1. So there is divided by, the sign of division right over here. We have to convert it into multiply. So it will be like that. We will follow the rule, keep it, change it, flip it. So it will be keep it 1 by 2, change it into multiply and flip it. So 1 be the top and 3 will be the bottom. So it will be 1 by 3. So it will be equal to 1 times 1 is 1 and 2 times 3 is 6. So it will be equal to 1 by 6. Now use a protractor to measure the size of the marked angle. Write the answer. Now you know that this is your reflex angle right over here. Okay, so what you're gonna do over here, it's easy to do that. Your reflex angle will be of 360 degrees. Okay, so your one full turn will be equal to from here to here. It is of 360 degree. You have to measure this missing side by using the protractor. When you measure the angle over here by using the protractor, it will be equal to 120 degrees, my dear. So when you just find it out by using the protractor, after you have to do that, you have to subtract it from 360, which is a one complete turn. So 360 minus 120 degrees, so it will be equal to 240 degrees. So the missing angle, which is right over here, it is equal to 240 degrees, my dear. Now the next question is, here is a list of numbers 1, 3, 7, 11 and so on. Draw a ring around the common multiples of 3 and 7. So now here you gotta find out the common multiples of 3 and 7. So it's easy. You got to write down, you have to check it out which is the largest number over here. It is 27 and now you have to write the multiples of 3. So let's write the multiples of 3 starting from the first 3, 6, 9, 3 4 times 12, 15, 3 6 times is 18, 9 7 times is 21, then 24, then 27, and that's it. Okay, after that there is no number further, so I will just stop over here. Now which one is also a multiple of 7? So 7, you know that 7, 2 times is 14, 3 times is 21, and 4 times is 28, which is obviously bigger than 27, so I will not just write it. Now I have to circle the common ones. 7 is not common, 14 is also not common, only number 21 is common. Okay, so I will just circle 21 over here. So draw the ring around a common multiple of 3 and 7, it is 21. Now the second part is, here is a list of numbers 2, 4, 6, 22, 24 and so on. You have to draw a ring around the common factors of 4 and 6. So you can write the common factors of 4. You can simply write the factors of 4 and factors of 6 and then you have to draw a ring around the common factors, my dear. So let's write the factors of 4 first. So 1 times 4 is 4 and 2 times 2 is 4. That's it. These are the factors of 4, my dear. What about the factors of 6? It is 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, and that's it. So what are the common factors right over here? It is 1, there is no 1, there is 2. So yes, there is 2. So this is the only common factor of 4 and 6. Okay. Anastasia, draw a line of best fit on a scattered graph. Take the graph with the correct line of best fit over here. Now for the first one, if you look at this, if you are drawing the line of best fit on a scatter graph, your line must be crossing between your points. Okay, crossing between your points, not too steep, not too low. So for the first one, if you look over here, this line is too steep. So we will say that it is too steep.